Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if your Instagram video is uploading too late, you can easily fix it. So usually, right, I'm using this Wi-Fi connections. It has good Wi-Fi connections, 5G I'm using, but still it is very slow. I started uploading 5 minutes back, still it is getting uploaded. I'm not sure what is the reason. So instead of using Wi-Fi, right, what I suggest you is you just use your mobile internet connections. So use your mobile internet connections. For example, I have 5G. So here I have a 5G data. So I'm going to turn off this Wi-Fi connections. Okay. Now you see it will be quickly uploading. Let's change it to 5G. See the speed is, it should be uploading as quickly as possible. Also make sure you have enough space on your internal storage so that it will be uploading quickly. It's going to complete. So that's it friends. See, it's uploaded. Fantastic, right? So that's it friends. This is my tips. You always use your mobile internet connections to upload videos in Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.